Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening yet another box for Yu-Gi-Oh! Justice Hunters German edition. Because we're all very proficient in German. And that's why we're looking for all the good German cards. So let's see what we actually get here. Last box, pretty good. We want more. It's a K9 lantern. More like the last one, please. But that one was pretty stacked. Not gonna lie. We have a Leckernugen Mignon. Because of course we have another K9 YuGiOh. And we have our first Lolli samt Pfote Lecker. Sorry, Lolli samt Pfote. It had a double L. On to the next one with a Rahu Drachoschwanz. Let's see what else we get. We get a K9 erzwungene Befreiung. On to the next one. With a Strickschaf. How cute. And in the next pack we get a Leckernugen Acroquay. Moving on. We have a K9 Ripper. Untranslated. The sadness. And a Becherkatze Leckerstraße. Look at this letter. You probably don't have it in your language. It's like a double S, except it's pronounced soft. And we have a Drachoschwanz Lukias. I think that's the first time we see him. Next pick. With another K9 erzwungene Befreiung, and we move on to the left side. Right side is done. We have a K2 Drachoschwanz. Only one more German Justice Hunter box left. For the next one we have a K9 Ripper again. Then we're switching back to English. Ooh, we have a collector here. A good one. A Himmelsjäger Mech Hornistendrohnen. Oh, lovely. Isn't it just lovely? On to the next one. There we have a lecker Überraschung. On to the next one. We have another canine ripper. Moving on. We have a lecker Greifi. And on to the next one we go. With a Nummer 67 Zwillingswürfelhämmerer. Yes, German names are long and fun. But if you want to laugh, we go into the basement. That's a German joke for you there. We have a canine lantern. On to the next one. What do I see here? It's a Drachoschwanz Lukias in the Starlight rarity. Yes, thank you very much. And we're down to the last 3 packs actually. Let's see what we get. A Handteufel. Second to last pack. And we do get a Drachoschwanz Gulamel. And we're down to the final pack. Last one needs to be big. It is not. It's a canine lantern. And I guess that's fine. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you in the next one.